Hello everyone, I'm Violeta Pascual. Over the next minutes, I would like to talk about three vital points regarding the event phases for organizing a communication workshop. In the first part, I explained the previous phase and their characteristics. And last but not least, not only I'm going to explain how to the execution phase and their elements, but also the post-event phase. Now let us turn to point 1. The architecture of an event includes the set of activities that are directed, coordinated, and supervised from the decision to carry it out until the end of the event. There are three phases for the realization of an event: before the event, during the event, and after the event. Now, let us talk about the previous phase. It establishes the structure of the event, its formalities, and the sequence of each of them. During this phase, the following actions are carried out. Point 1. Identification of the event. The first step is to identify it with the appropriate name and describe the reasons why it is being organized. Point 2. Project for approval and budget. Once the event has been defined, the basic characteristic of the event must be established. Venue and date of the event. Which is the best date and time? The best dates to organize an event used to be between Wednesday and Friday. You should take into consideration relevant dates and other events due to the fact that you mustn't be doing the event that day. As for the duration of the event, it shouldn't be longer than 2 hours in order to maintain assistance focused. Initial design and program of activities. What will be done at each point? Who will participate in each of the actions from the start to finish? In addition, it is advisable to make a schedule of activities to know how the event will be developed and how long it will last. List of guests. Policymakers of your city. Managers of relevant companies close to your pilot regions in the field of agriculture, food, textile, public institution. Invitations has to be composed of the logotype of the organizing institutions. It is the first thing to be seen and must be in an appropriate size and place it in the header of the invitation. Position of the person inviting or hosting organizing the event. Persons to be invited. Text. It should answer the basic questions: what is being invited, when will the event take place, specifying not only the day but also the time. Human resources staffing forecast. It is pivotal that those who will be speakers have a perfect knowledge and show interest in the topic. Administrative staff for the using of invitation, mailings, receipt of confirmation. Telecommunication technician, people in charge of the technological infrastructures so that there are no problems during the event. Community manager, person in charge of disseminating information on social networks. Material resources forecast, a computer with microphone and webcam and a fast and secure internet connection. Audiovisual material, it must be composed of an introduction, body, and conclusion. In addition to this, the script has to have a description of each part that video has, the duration and the timing. Not only should you detail a list of the guests who have confirmed attendance, but you must also prepare the coordination with the press office staff for communication with the media and with the support in the organization press conference if necessary. Now let's talk about the execution phase of the event. During this phase, actions before the event will take place. The final program closes with the detailed script of the event, specifying the order of speeches. Distribution of tasks of all those involved in the event. press conference beforehand if necessary because the event has a certain social repercussion. Last review of technological means such as cameras, microphones, and internet connection. Finally, we are going to talk about the post-event phase. Archives of reviews in the press and other media. It will allow us to know what has attracted the most attention and what has not, with a view to promoting future events and the institution. To analyze the results of the event, you should collect the following data. Certainly, to know the results of the event, you should know how many people have attended the event. Observe whether there are participative and cooperative during the event. Analyze the behavior of our audience before and after the event. Track social media activity during and after the event. If you want to know how attendees felt about the event, ask them directly. That's all. Please, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us.